Everyone, this is a video that I make to answer a Reddit question. Um, so this is actually to answer my sleep life questions. So he has kept a record of his golf results as per the screenshot here, and he wants to color code all the results. All right. So if he has a -3, he wants to highlight the cell in orange and so on and so forth. Right. So just quickly, I have noticed that the cell on top, right, has a +1 and has a green triangle on the top left corner of the cell. So this indicates that this is a text. All right. So let me quickly replicate the first row. So I think number B1, cell B1, the one here is actually hole in one, right? I think it's better to make it make it differently, maybe like a H, hole in one, maybe something like this, right? And then you have your scores: -3, -2, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and plus n. I wouldn't use plus n. I will show you the reason why later on. So this can be maybe, yeah. I just leave it like that. So to change the numbers, right, 1, 2, 3 to +1, +2, +3, just highlight the cell, right click, go to format cells, go to maybe custom. Okay, click on 0. Alright, 0 I think represents a number. Then you put a plus sign in front, so there's a sample up there for you to see. And then press OK, click on OK. So now when you have a number here, you will always have if it's a positive number, you will always have a plus in front, right? So okay, the next question I want to answer is how to use conditional formatting color scales. So this is actually a color scale, right? So instead of you putting one by one the color of the number, you can actually highlight all the numbers, and then you can go to conditional formatting, right? Then you can pick on color scales. Right here you can see the colors that you can use to identify your results. So I think this one is more similar with what you want. So I will just pick this. You can okay, then you can go to conditional formatting. You can manage rules. Alright, then you can edit rule. Alright, so your lowest value, you can put it as -3. You can you can change it, or you can just leave it as lowest value. If you think you will have a -4, -5, I'll just put -3 for now. Midpoint, you can put a number, a 0 or percent or formula or percentile, right? You can also maybe pick a color green, yeah. And then highest value can be infinity, right? So you can just leave highest value in here. I'm not very familiar with golf, so you can tell. So click on OK. Right, now you have your and apply. So now you have your color scales. Alright, I think this is probably not very similar to what you want. So let me go to conditional formatting, manage rules, this worksheet, right? Then edit rule. Then I probably just choose no color. Okay, the next step is the H hole-in-one, right? So probably you need a new conditional formatting. So what you do is you highlight cell through equal to this, right? Then choose a color. Maybe you can fill it with green. Then the font can be, oh, you can't change the font, it's alright. You can see now it's a green now. Right. So now how do you transfer all this into all these white colored columns, right? So you want to leave all the all the white rows. You want to leave all your black rows, right? So let me just quickly fix do a sample. So so you have a black here, black here, black here. Let me get rid of all these. You have black here, black here, black here. Alright, so what you want is you can copy so you have par here, right? So instead of doing copy and paste for each row, there's a shortcut, right, to do all this. So let me undo. So first you copy and paste special, you paste special, right, and then you click on merge conditional formatting, right? Then you go to the next batch of columns, control paste special, click on all merging conditional formats, right? So let's test, see the color works now. So probably we want to get rid of all these plus, format cell, right? Just go number. Format cell, just go number. I wonder this I want to work. This one wouldn't work. You probably need to go to conditional formatting, manage rules, manage rules, then you can put a new rule, format all cells based on format only cells that contain cell. Let me see. Edit rule, new rule, format all cells based on their values, contain equal to press R. Okay, so copy like this, and then format cell, format green, all these three screen. Okay, apply. So it will go through the rule. So first rule is to check whether it's similar to HI1. Then after that, it will check the graded color. Press. Oh, then I think you can stop if this is true, right? Press apply, press OK. Let's try again. HI1. See, it changed now. How about here? HI1. Yep, changed now. So what you do is copy this. Actually, you copy and then you paste special, you merge here, and then you copy, paste special, you merge here as well. No, let us test one. Okay, -3. Yeah. So once you're happy with all this rule, so you highlight all the cells, under here, right? Maybe you can highlight the whole table, right? Your whole table. So what you do is you highlight. So I will just highlight until 28. You go to data. You go to filter, and then you don't want all these black rows, right? So let me just copy more. So you don't want the black rows, so you filter by color, no fill. Sorry, I need to highlight again. So you need to highlight all the cells. Go to filter, right? Then you select filter by color, no fill, right? So you can see that all your black rows are gone. Next is you copy. Okay, I'm going to show you the wrong way to do this, right? Normally people, you just copy like this, right? They highlight and then paste special, merge, right? Conditional formatting. but then when they open them up, right, see all your black rows are replaced. So let me undo. So what you want to do is highlight, right? Highlight the ones that is filtered, right? See, you can see the filter columns is they have blue color. It's blue color number, right? So you just highlight the cells, right? And then the trick is go to Control G, right? Click on special, and then you click on visible cells only. Then you click OK. Right? You can see there's a bit of difference now. There's like, you know, there's a faint white line in between the highlighted cells. Then you right click, you paste special, and then you click on choose merge conditional formatting. Right, it will only paste on the cells that that is filtered. Now you can open up all the cells. So I think this basically answer your questions. Yeah, so if you want to change anything, you can go to home. You can change conditional formatting. You can go to manage rules. Alright, so actually you can see these are your answers to your questions. B17, B15, B13, B9, B. Yeah, so Excel automatically merge all the cells for you that you want to use the conditional formatting. So it's actually a comma, then it's showing each cell. Let me close it. So you can click on this worksheet, right? Oh, now you can see all the rules, that is applicable to the worksheet. And then yeah, you can just edit and all that over here. I hope this answer your questions. If you like this video, please give the video a like and please subscribe to my channel. If you have further questions, please comment on the video, and I will answer your comments with more videos. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.